Good morning, dear children. Today in English Reader, we are going to do lesson number 9, a shooting test. Very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you are fine and safe at home. Today we will do our new English reader lesson in government textbooks. All of you will open your textbooks on page number 73. The new lesson is Unit 9 and the name of the lesson is A Shooting Test. So there's a nice story from the Mahabharata. You all have known about the Mahabharata and you all have seen it also on the television during the lockdown also. So the story is from the Mahabharata where it teaches us if you target it, if you concentrate on your target, you can achieve everything. Nothing is impossible. So that we have to learn from this story, or the moral of the story is that you concentrate, make a target and just see that target only and nothing else. You are definitely going to win. So we'll start with activity 1. Identify these sports person. They specialize in rifle shooting and have brought laurels to the country. Here you can see the pictures of some of the sports person are here who have played or who have taken part in the rifle shooting competition in the national and international events, and they also have brought laurels means they have also won the prizes in these events also. So this is Anjali Bhagwat, Gagan Narang, Abhinav Bindra, then Vardhan Singh Rathore and Lacha Goswami. So these are the 5 players in the rifle shooting event who have taken part in national and international events and brought medals, and they have increased the pride of our country, India. So today we are going to learn more about the shooting test, how you can concentrate with the help of a shooting. So we'll start the story, which is on page number 74. This is a well-known story from the Mahabharata, the epic that we have seen and heard many a times. In this you can see this is the picture of some of the students who are there, who are going to target a bird that is sitting here on the tree. They have to target the bird's eye, and this is their guru or the teacher as we now call them. So in those days all the prince and princesses used to go and study in the Gurukul that was in the far away from the place where all the people used to live. It's where it was, आप समझ लीजिए जंगल में ही एक गुरुकुल होता था और वहाँ पर ही उनको रहना होता था. They had to stay there for till their education gets completed. So till they used to stay there, they used to do all the work that was assigned by their guru. अभी हम टीचर बोलते हैं, मैम बोलते हैं, पर उस वक्त जो था वहाँ पर गुरु बोला जाता था और सारे ये उनके शिष्य होते थे. तो जो ये स्टोरी है ये महाभारत में से ली हुई है. एंड यू नो अबाउट द महाभारत दैट इट वाज बिटवीन द कौरवास एंड द पांडवास. Kauravas were 100 brothers and Pandavas were 5 brothers. So they all went to the Gurukul of Guru Dronacharya to learn the shooting. He taught them the shooting. So we'll start with the story now. This is your scene 1. Spring morning is in an orchard. Guru Drona is sitting on a raised platform under a shady mango tree. In front of him are seated on the ground the Pandavas and the Kaurav princes. So this is your गुरु द्रोणा who is sitting in an orchard. मतलब एक फलों के बगीचे में गुरु द्रोणा बैठे हुए हैं और वो एक ऊंचे से प्लेटफॉर्म जैसा बनाया है पेड़ के नीचे, एक मैंगो ट्री के पेड़ के नीचे वो बैठे हैं. और उनके आगे जो है ग्राउंड पे यानी कि ज़मीन पे जो है पांडव्स और कौरव जो प्रिंसेस थे, वो सारे प्रिंस जो हैं, राजकुमार जो थे, वो सारे बैठे हुए थे ज़मीन में उनके सामने. गुरु द्रोणा इज़ स्पीकिंग टू देम, और गुरु द्रोणा जो है उनको क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ समझा रहे हैं. दिस इज द फर्स्ट सीन दैट इज देयर. नाउ भीम, वन ऑफ द पांडव जो थे, भीम जो थे वो पांडव ब्रदर्स थे. सो भीम स्टैंड अप विथ द फोल्डेड हैंड्स. गुरुजी I am sure that the lesson is over. Can I go now? I feel very hungry. Some princes laugh and some giggle. तो भीम एज यू ऑल नो was बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग था, बहुत ही giant. He had the huge structure and he always felt hungry all the time after doing some work. He was very foodie type. So Bhim stands up with his folded hands and he says, Guruji, now I think the lesson is over and I'm feeling hungry. Can I go and have my and eat something? So some of the princes जो थे वहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्रिंस थे, 100 कौरवस and 5 पांडवास were there. And तो वो लोग सब जो थे कुछ हंसने लगे और कुछ गिगल मीन्स धीमे धीमे कुछ हंस रहे थे और कुछ जोर जोर से हंसने लगे ये सुन के, बिकॉज एवरीबडी न्यू दैट भीम कैन नॉट बेयर द हंगर. Guru Drona, with a beaming face, Bhim, of course, the lesson is over, but the test remains. So Guru Drona is telling to Bhim, he is a little bit annoyed with Bhim and says that the lesson that I taught you is over. Now you have to give the test. What you have learned from the lesson that I want to see. So I'm going to take a test. Bhim, test, sir, when are you going to give us a test? So he's asking then when we will take our test. Drona, we will commence it soon. Is everybody ready? So Dronacharya is asking, Guruji is telling that we will start. Commence means we will start right now if everybody is ready. He looks at the princess for a response, and then Guru Drona looks at the faces of all the princesses who are there, that whether they are ready to give the test or not. All the princes, yes Guruji, we are. Bhim, but what is the test? Please tell me something about the test, Guruji. So Bhim is asking that what type of test you are going to take. At least tell us about something about the test. Drona, this is a bird on the tree. You have to shoot it in the right eye. Understood? Now Guru Drona has already decided that he is going to take a test. So he has done all the arrangements to take a test. On the tree he placed a bird, and then all the डिसाइपल्स और मीन्स जो शिष्य होते हैं, डिसाइपल्स मीन्स शिष्य होते हैं, उनको बर्ड की, ये एक बर्ड थी पेड़ के ऊपर रखी थी और इस बर्ड की राइट आई को उनको शूट करना था. दैट वाज द टेस्ट, दैट दे हैड टू शूट द राइट आई ऑफ द बर्ड विद दैट वाज प्लेस्ड ऑन अ ब्रांच ऑफ अ ट्री. All, yes, that means everybody understood that what was their test, that they had to shoot the right eye of the bird. To page number 75, Drona, go and fetch your bows and arrows. Now Guru Dronacharya is telling everyone to take their bows and arrows and get ready for the test. In the older days, he didn't have those rifles and the latest equipments that we have now for fighting. That time, all the fights that were done with the help of the bow and arrow and with the mace only. So Guru Drona is standing near a peepal tree. All the princesses have assembled around him. They are armed with their bows and arrows. तो पुराने ज़माने में जब ये तीर कमान से लड़ाई होती थी और दूसरे हथियार नहीं थे जैसे अभी है, तो बो और एरो से सारे युद्ध जो थे, वो वॉर जो थे वो लड़े जाते थे. इसलिए सारे जो प्रिंसेस थे उनको बो और एरो चलाने का सिखाया जाता था उस वक्त, सो दैट व्हेन दे बिकम द किंग दे कैन इजीली, इफ देयर इज एनी वॉर और वॉर लाइक सिचुएशन, दे कैन हैंडल इट. तो सारे गुरु द्रोणाचार्य जो है पीपल ट्री के पास खड़े हैं और सारे जितने भी उनके डिसाइपल्स हैं वो सारे आकर वहाँ पर उनके पास खड़े हैं विद देयर बो एंड एरो. Drona, Bhim, how about you? Are you ready? The test begins with you. So Guru Dronacharya is telling that Bhim, you will be the first one to give the test. Are you ready? Bhim, me Guruji, but you know well that I am not so good with the archery and as others, and I am good at using the mace. So Bhim is telling that Guruji, you know very well that I am not good in bow and arrow. That means in shooting I am not good. With the archery, with using bow and arrow, I am not able to target the things, as you know it very well. But with the mace, मतलब कि भीम जो थे किसके लिए फेमस थे? भीम अपनी गदा चलाने के लिए फेमस थे. तो उसने कहा कि मैं गदा बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चला सकता हूँ, पर बो और एरो उतना अच्छे से मैं नहीं चला सकता जैसे बाकी सारे कर सकते हैं. Drona, don't worry, Bhim, come forward, take aim and be ready. So Guru Dronacharya said that don't worry about that, but at least you try. So you come here and just aim at the target. मतलब कि अपने जो टारगेट है बर्ड का जो राइट आई शूट करना है उसके ऊपर आप टारगेट करिए और अपने बो जो है एरो को उसके ऊपर एम करिए. Drona, Bhim, before you shoot, tell me what do you see? So गुरुजी ने भीम से पूछा कि बिफोर आई यूज शूट द बर्ड्स आई जस्ट वांटेड टू डू, तो व्हाट ऑल यू कैन सी, आपको क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? भीम, ब्रांच द बर्ड एंड द स्काई गुरुजी कैन आई शूट? सो उसने भीम ने क्या बताया कि मेरे को पेड़ दिख रहा है, पेड़ की डालियाँ दिख रही हैं और मुझे आकाश दिखाई दे रहा है, तो अब मैं क्या शूट कर सकता हूँ? द्रोणा, नो डोंट, no, don't. Your test is over. Take your seat. So Guru Dronacharya said that no need to shoot the bird's eye because your test is over now. Now, what was the test? The test was to shoot the bird's eye. But Bhim is not able to see that. He is not able to see the bird. He is seeing the branch, the trees, the sky, everything he is seeing, but he is not seeing the bird. So, Guruji said that if you are not able to see the target only, then there is no point in doing the shooting, because जो bird थी, जो target था, bird थी, bird की eye थी, वो भीम ने देखा ही नहीं. उसको branch दिखा, पेड़ दिखा, आकाश दिखा, सब कुछ दिखा, पर वो he couldn't see the bird and the eye. Drona, no, don't. Your test is over. Take your seat. Bhim and other princes are surprised to hear the Guruji's word. Drona now looks at Duryodhan. Duryodhan comes forward with his for the test. Now the next was from the Kaurav side, and that was the Duryodhan, who was the eldest of the Kauravs. Kauravs जो थे वो 100 भाई थे और उसमें सबसे बड़ा जो था वो दुर्योधन थे. और उसके बाद पांडवों में से भीम को बुलाया और कौरवों में से उन्होंने दुर्योधन को पहले टेस्ट के लिए बुलाया. Now Drona, Duryodhan, are you ready? Duryodhan, yes, Guruji, I am. Drona, before you pull the string, tell me what do you see? Now, after he came and he was ready for to shoot, the Guruji asked the same question to Duryodhan also, that what do you see before you shoot? Duryodhan, I see many things, the tree, the branch, the bird and the sky and etc. So Duryodhan also said like Bhim that I see many things, not only bird but I can see the sky, the tree, the branches and so many things I can see all around. Drona, stop Duryodhan, don't shoot, your test is over too. तो द्रोणाचार्य ने क्या कहा? गुरुजी ने ऐसा कहा कि आपका भी टेस्ट पूरा हो गया, आपको शूट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज नाइदर भीम नॉर दुर्योधन कुड सी द टारगेट दैट वाज बेसिकली देयर. जो उनका लक्ष्य था, जो उनका वो उनको दिखाई ही नहीं दे रहा था, तो शूट क्या करेंगे? इसलिए गुरु द्रोणाचार्य ने ऐसा कहा कि नो नीड टू गिव एनी टेस्ट, योर टेस्ट इज ओवर बिकॉज यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी द टारगेट दैट आई हैव गिवन. दुर्योधन like भीम was also surprised. He goes back to his place. So दुर्योधन भी भीम की तरह बहुत ही उनको भी आश्चर्य हुआ और वो वापस अपने जगह पर चले गए. द्रोणा, Sahadev, it is your turn now. Sahadev is the lost in the thoughts. He comes forward carrying his bow and arrow. Now Sahadev is again one of the Pandav brothers. तो सहदेव को गुरुजी ने बुलाया और उसने कहा, गुरुजी ने कहा कि सहदेव, इट इज़ नाउ योर टर्न. बट सहदेव वाज ऑलरेडी लॉस्ट इन सम थॉट्स, मतलब वो कुछ अपने विचारों में थे, लेकिन वो अपना बो और एरो लेकर आते हैं. द्रोणा, टेक एम एंड वेट फॉर माई कमांड. सो ही गुरु द्रोणाचार्य सेड टू सहदेव दैट यू हैव टू टेक एम, मतलब जो टारगेट है उस पर एम करो, अपना बो जो है उस पर निशाना लगाओ, लेकिन मेरे कमांड की राह देखो. द मोमेंट आई गिव द कमांड यू शूट. Sahadev, sir, I am ready. Drona, Sahadev, tell me, what do you see now? Now the same question Guruji asked to Sahadev, that what was he able to see? Sahadev, Guruji, I see so many things. Of course, I can see the bird, but I also see the tree, the top, the sky beyond, the sky beyond. तो उसने क्या बोला कि मेरे को बर्ड तो दिख रही है, बर्ड के अलावा भी मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिखाई देती हैं, जैसे कि टी ड्रॉप है, स्काई है, ये सारी चीज़ें भी मुझे दिखाई दे रही हैं. सो आई नॉट ओनली द बर्ड बट आई कैन सी मेनी थिंग्स, एज यू कैन सी हियर. फॉर ईच वन इज बीन कॉल्ड बाय द गुरुजी एंड आस्क्ड. द्रोणा, डोंट शूट द बर्ड. सहदेव, यू मे टेक योर सीट. सो गुरु द्रोणाचार्य then again told Sahadev that you also need not to shoot the bird, you go and sit at your place. Dushasan is called to take the test. He goes and stands close to Guru Dronacharya. Slowly he places his bow and arrow on the bow and pulls the string and is ready for shooting. Tell me, Guruji, Dronacharya, tell me, Dushasan, what is visible to you? Now, after Sahadev was the turn of Dushasan, one of the Kaurav brothers. Next to Duryodhan was Dushasan, the other brother of the Kauravas. So he was told to come and give the test. He also got ready with his bow and arrows and was about to shoot, but when the Guruji asked the same question to Dushasan also, that what do you see? Dushashan, Guruji, my eyesight is very good. I can see everything around me. I can shoot now. So Dushashan said that my eyesight is very strong. I can see so many things. मेरी आंखें बहुत ही अच्छी हैं और बहुत सारा कुछ देख सकती हैं. तो क्या अब मैं शूट कर सकता हूँ? Drona, you need not. Your test is over too. So Dronacharya said that your test is over too. You also need not to shoot. The Drona calls the other princes one by one. Their answers make him sad. At last, he invites Arjun for the test. So, one by one, all the Kauravas and the Pandav brothers were called for the test. So, in the last was the turn of the Arjun, and Arjun was the favorite disciple of Guru Dronacharya because he was very good at shooting. Archery में जो था अर्जुन का जवाब नहीं था. तीर कमान या बो के लिए he was very famous for his target. अगर जो भी target वो aim करता, he was always at perfect at dot at the target. So, and he was very favorite student of Guru Dronacharya also. So at the end he called Arjun. Drona, Arjun, get ready and take aim. Arjun carries out the order. So गुरुजी अर्जुन को बुलाते हैं और कहते हैं कि अपना तीर और वो और एरो लो और शूटिंग के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. And order of his guru and wait for his commands. So he carries his bow and arrow and comes and he waits for the guruji's command. He's ready to shoot and he is waiting for his guruji to give him the command. Drona, tell me, what do you see now? Arjun, sir, I see only the right eye of the bird. सो द्रोणाचार्य ने अर्जुन से भी वही क्वेश्चन पूछा कि क्या दिख रहा है अर्जुन आपको. तो अर्जुन से आई सेड that I could see only the right eye of the bird. That was the target. That target was given by Guru Dronacharya to all the disciples, but it was only the Arjun who saw the right eye of the bird, the target. He could see only the target and nothing else. Drona, what about the bird? Its head, the branches, and on which it is प्लेस्ड. तो द्रोणाचार्य ने पूछा कि और कुछ नहीं दिखाई देता है. बर्ड है तो बर्ड का सिर है, उसके पेड़ के ब्रांचेस है, स्काई है. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स अराउंड. यू कांट यू सी एनी ऑफ दीज थिंग्स? अर्जुन, Sir, I see nothing except the right eye of the bird. So Arjun said, I could only see my target, that is the right eye of the bird, and nothing else. I could not see anything beyond this. Drona, with a great sense of satisfaction, shoot. In the twinkling of an eye, the bird falls down on the ground with a thud. Arjun's arrow is there in the right eye, in its right eye. For a moment, there is a hush all around. Then suddenly, all the princes cheer Arjun for his extraordinary feat. Guru Drona goes to Arjun and blesses him. So, Guru Drona was very happy to hear the answer that Arjun gave, that I could see nothing but the right eye of the bird. That means he could see only his target and nothing else. So he was very satisfied that at least somebody is there that who had learned about the shooting. So, and within a twinkling of eyes, that means within the second, the bird fell down because the Guruji gave the command to shoot. And within seconds, the bird was on the ground and the Arjun's arrow was on the right eye of the bird. That was at the dot on the target. So for a moment, everybody was silent. Everybody was surprised to see that what has happened, that Arjun was able to shoot the bird's right eye. And after that, they all cheered the Prince Arjun for his work. And Dronacharya also blessed Arjun. Bravo Arjun, you have passed the test. So Dronacharya said, blessed him and said that he congratulated him that he has passed the test. Drona looks at the princes and addresses them, and then Dronacharya addresses or says something to all the princes who had failed in the test. Only one Arjun passed the test, remaining all the princes failed in the shooting test. Drona, dear disciples, it wasn't just a shooting test; it was a test too. Test the power of your concentration. Arjun concentrated too, so the test of the power of concentrated so well that he saw nothing but the target, the right eye of the bird. तो द्रोणाचार्य ने सभी अपने डिसाइपल्स को, शिष्यों को समझाया कि शूटिंग वॉज नॉट जस्ट अ शूटिंग टेस्ट, बट इट वॉज अ टेस्ट ऑफ द पावर ऑफ योर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, दैट मच हाउ मच यू कैन कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर वर्क, ऑन योर टारगेट दैट इज देयर. So Arjuna concentrated on his target, and he was successful. So he could shoot the bird's right eye. Therefore, if you want to succeed, you should always aim or focus on your target. अगर आपको अपने लाइफ में कुछ बनना है, कुछ सक्सेस पाना है, तो हमेशा अपने टारगेट पर ही ध्यान रखिए, उसी पर फोकस करिए, इधर उधर कहीं भी ध्यान नहीं दीजिए. अगर आपको स्कूल में अच्छे, क्लास में अच्छे मार्क्स लाने हैं, तो आपको सिर्फ पढ़ाई में ही ध्यान देना है, आपको पढ़ना है. आप इधर देखेंगे कि ये मेरे फ्रेंड्स क्या कर रहे हैं और बच्चे क्लास के क्या कर रहे हैं, मेरे पड़ोस में जो बच्चे हैं वो क्या कर, तो वो सब चीज़ों में अगर आप ध्यान रखेंगे तो यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर स्टडीज इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट गुड मार्क्स. बट if you'll only think that my aim is, my target is to get good marks and I have to study and get it, then definitely you are going to succeed. So from the moral that we get from this lesson is that if we want to succeed, we have to focus on our, or we have to concentrate on our target only, as it was done by the Arjun, and that is why he was successful in shooting the bird's right eye. Now, dear children, the explanation part of this lesson is over. I hope you all have enjoyed. You many a times you might have heard this story, also the bird's eye. This is very common story from the Mahabharata that has been taken many a times, and it has been told to all the children also many a times. But I hope that you all have liked it and understood the moral also, and hope you will try to follow it also. Now, next is your keywords or the hard words that are given here. Orchard, an area of land where fruit trees are grown. A beaming face, a face with a wide and happy smile. Commence, to start something, and fetch, to go and bring something. So these hard words you have, keywords, you have to write it in your notebook one time. Now next is your activity 3. This is your answer the following questions. Why does Bhim want to go away? Bhim want to go away because he is hungry. Where does Guru Drona asked the princess to fetch their bows and arrows because he wanted to take their shooting test. What does Duryodhan see at the time of the shooting? Duryodhan sees the trees, the branch, the bird, and the sky, and many other things at the time of the shooting. Who is asked to take aim after Duryodhan? Sahdev is asked to take an aim after Duryodhan. What is Dushasan proud of? Is he allowed to shoot? Dushasan is proud of his good eyesight. No, he is not allowed to shoot. Question number 6, page number 79. What makes Guru Drona sad? The answer of the princess makes Guru Drona sad. Who is the last one to take the test, and what does he see? Arjuna is the last one to take the test, and he sees only the right eye of the bird. Why does Guru Drona say about what does Guru Drona say about the test? Arjuna was the last one to take the test. He sees only the right eye of the bird. What does Guru Drona say about the test? Guru Drona says that it was not just a shooting test, but the test to test the power of concentration of the princess. Who succeeded in the test and why? Arjun succeeded in the test because he concentrated only on the target. Now next is your activity 4.